I'm getting lots of messages. You might have seen a few of these yourselves, or comments. Obviously, across our socials, I get thousands of messages pretty much daily, and trying to respond to them all is very hard. But one of the key ones I'm getting, so I'm making a video about it, is downloader's not on my Firestick. Downloader's been removed from my Firestick. As you know, well, many of you probably know, the Downloader app, great app for accessing downloader codes, been running for a long time. There's nothing wrong with using Downloader. It's a great app. It's a great app, and you can access what you were looking for, websites on your Firestick. But a lot of people are searching the App Store. So I will search mine, and what you get when you search Downloader is this comes up. But a lot of people aren't getting this, and I'm going to explain to you why. First things first, I would ask you all, if you can, is make sure you hit that follow button. That way you keep up to date with any issues like this which are going on. Make sure you hit that follow button, and make sure you share out the video, because the more people who see this, that will help those people who can't find it, and it will really help my comment section, and I'm sure lots of other people's comment sections in their groups. So, when you search Downloader, here we go. There's a few different downloaders. This is the main one here. That first one there. Do not use this one. Do not use this one. Any other one which come up, do not use them. And some people are searching Downloader, so on a different device. So the issue is, there's a device called the Firestick Select, and some of you may have purchased that Firestick Select, and if you have, it runs on a different operating system, and that can be why you're not getting it. How do you know what Firestick you are on? So if you go to your settings, go to My Fire TV. Under the About section, it will tell you at the top here what sort of device you're on. I am on a Firestick 4K Max 2nd generation. This is, in my opinion, the best Firestick you can buy. It's got larger storage, plenty for what you need on your device, as you'll see underneath it. It runs on Fire OS 8, great operating system, very secure, all the latest patches, and you know, it's got the faster processor, the slightly higher RAM than any other device. So if yours up there says Fire TV Stick Select, you cannot install Android applications. It is running on a different operating system, so you won't be able to run. And so when you go to this search, you will search Downloader, D-O-W, you'll search Downloader, and when you get here, that whole section there will be empty. So it would look like this. That's what would come up when you search Downloader. Okay, you won't have the section with those apps. You will only have some apps which are developed for your device. You will also not have install from unknown sources. You will not be able to install on that Firestick Select. So the best option, if you want to install third-party apps, is you're going to have to buy another device. Send back that Select if you can. Get a 4K Max or a 4K Plus. Do not get the Select. It's the worst device. I've tried to tell people for a long time not to get it. People still get it. And hopefully you'll understand what I'm talking about, because no Downloader. You won't be able to get Firesend either, which is what we use instead of Downloader on this site. So if you haven't checked out Firesend, do check out the rest of my page. But you won't be able to get any of these because it's the wrong operating system. Brilliant. That's just a bit of a advice video for you guys, so hopefully that helped you out. I've been Dr. Squiffy. Check out the rest of my videos. Get Firesend installed if you're new to the channel, because that's what we use here instead of Downloader anyway. But if you're still using Downloader, make sure you're on the right device. Brilliant.